Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you for clicking on this video and going along with us today. It's a little bit later on in the afternoon, and we're just now getting started, but that's okay. It rained all morning long, so everything's meant to be. But we're heading to the first yard now, and we can't wait to get there and get our camera set up and get some footage, because you guys have not seen this yard yet, and I'm really excited for you guys to see it, and I'm really excited for us to get to mow it. And all right, so come on, let's go. Hey guys, guess where we are? It's not the Weigels this time, actually. This is the truck stop. The local truck stop is called the Timeout, but we're getting some diesel fuel here. I forgot my tripod for my phone at home, so I'm having to do it the original way with my hand. So, so that's a little unfortunate. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to do a quick little check-in, let you know we got the trailer, we're ready to go. It's a little bit in the afternoon. It's much later than we would like to start, but it poured down rain all morning long, and Harley had another job that he had to do this morning anyway, so we couldn't really get started till now anyway. So it was meant to be. It's a little windy out here. Still looks a little bit cloudy, but I do think we'll be able to get these yards done. You're going to see us. We have 3 yards to do today, which I'm not for sure if we'll get all 3 of them or not, because one of them we have to talk to the people and find out, because this is like a different kind of situation or whatever. But yeah, we'll explain that later, depending on how it turns out. And yeah, but then we have our other 2, our 2 newest yards that you've seen. You've seen one of them already, and you went with us. Well, we did quote one of them in a video that we did before, but you have not seen us mow it yet. So, and this is a gorgeous, gorgeous property. It's just like a little, just kind of like a little fairy tale land, honestly. Like the way it's set up, it's just so beautiful. And I think we've decided that we're going to call this the cottage yard. So, yeah. Okay, so I think we should probably, what do you think? Should we do that one first? Or what was you thinking? Just to give the other one just a little bit more time? Okay. All right, well, we're going to go to the cottage yard, so come on, let's go. Okay, here we are. We just pulled up. We're at the first yard, the cottage, and some limbs down over here we gotta pick up. There was kind of like quite a bit of a storm. I don't know if you guys saw our other video that we did the other day. I think it's called Did We Actually Mow During a Tornado Watch? And yes, we did, but we went home right after. Okay, but yeah, the people just pulled in, so we're gonna kind of try to get our stuff unloaded pretty quickly and try to get you guys set up in a couple of different places, like get our GoPros on, and yeah, okay, come on, let's go mow. guys. Come on. Let's go. Okay, now we're ready. I bumped it out. Okay, hold on. Let's go get some line. We'll resume here in a second. I bumped all my line out. Okay. I'm gonna stop the video so I can save my battery, guys. Hey guys. Whew. Okay. You saw me another clip. Bumped my line out, so I had to come over here and get me some more so I can restring, because there's a good bit of weed eating at this yard. This is a beautiful yard, but the way it's set up for a lot of weed eating. But that's okay, you know, it's how our yard's set up too. I done got hung up on this. Yeah, like I said in the other video, but if you didn't see it, what I do, you know, I cut a good big bit of length off, and then I line the ends up, and then just pull, you know, till it comes to the middle, and then you just cut it. That way, you know, both pieces are exactly the same length. Okay, come on, let's go train this thing. Okay guys, we're back in business. We got the line, we're strung, let's go. Okay, we just finished up. Harley's coming with the leaf blower down the road there. Yeah, okay. Whew. Yeah, I'm gonna walk out here so you can kind of see from this angle. Yeah, that creek was something, you know, all them rocks and stuff right through there, but yeah, and it goes. You've seen. It's pretty much about 45 minutes straight, you know, almost of just the creek. So, but yeah, and I said on the GoPro clip that it was very thick, you know, like this weed eating right here has not been done in at least a month, or probably maybe even 2. Yeah, the mowing had been done, but the weed eating had not. So that's why it really took so long. It won't take us that long probably from here on out, but yeah, I think it turned out really good. Hopefully we got some really good footage. But yeah, all right, so when Harley comes over here, we're gonna load everything back up and get in the truck, and we'll take you to the second yard. Come on, let's go. Okay guys, hey, we're here. I remembered to tell you, this is the yard where last time I forgot to tell you that we were here. But yeah, this time we actually have a tripod, so we should be able to hopefully maybe get a little bit of better footage. Yeah, we're gonna try to get you guys set up. This is the yard that he didn't want to be mowed when it was wet, so, you know, praise the Lord. You know, the first yard we decided we made a good call to go to it first because it was good to be shady stuff there, but now the sun's out and it feels like it's pretty dry, so I think we're good to go on this yard. So, all right, gonna quit talking. We're gonna get all the cameras set up everywhere and we can go mow with us. All right, let's go mow. All right, come on guys, let's go. you know, the backyard's pretty good size, so it takes him more time than it does me. So I finished the front, and now we're gonna go around. We're gonna do the back. I'm not sure, when I don't have my tripod, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get any footage of weed eating in the back, so, because there's really, honestly, there's hardly nothing. After I get weed eat, I'll probably do a walk around with you so you guys can see. I'll just do that really quick, because there's really hardly nothing back there to set you up on. Okay, all right, come on, let's go. All right, guys. Okay, the trimming is done. I have not leaf blowed yet, but I will do that here in a few minutes. I'm just doing a little, because I told you a while ago I did a little walk around with you. So, oh, I think I'm feeling raindrops. Oh no, Lord, please hold it off for just a minute. Great. It looks really great where he's mowed. I'm gonna have to move the tripod here in just a second because he's gotta mow that. But yeah, see, this is what I was talking about, guys. Like, this is a very, very wonderful yard. This yard is set up wonderful for people to mow, you know. And I'm not trying to say anything bad about other yards, you know, like, because we are thankful for every single yard. We love all of our yards, but you know, this is just, you know, oh, let's turn around. Let me keep on going. There's, okay. Touch him. Good. Oops, let me get out of his way so it doesn't run me over. No. I think it would. I did a little bit part of that bank where I did this curb. Okay, and the curb's up through there. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go around through here. We're gonna go over here and we're gonna move the tripod so we can actually, I need to start blowing this grass off really quick before it starts raining because I don't want it to get wet on the sidewalk. Okay, so come on, let's do that first. We just finished up and it just started raining. Okay, so that was perfect timing. Customer actually happened to be here and he came out, you know, he told us last time he thought it looked really good. And Yeah, we really appreciate that. That's really awesome. Nothing makes us happier than when the customer says that they think it looks good. You know, that's the whole reason why we do that. You know, do this. It's the only reason why we're here. So, yeah. There's a car trying to pass us on the road here. Okay. Oh, there's 2 cars. Okay, now I know what's going on. Okay. All right. Well, it's raining, so we're gonna get out of here and let's ride to the house. Come on, let's go. Hey guys, okay, we're back home now. Look, Harley's down here with he was putting our little magnet on there. We've been like kind of moving it back and forth in couple of different places.
Aluminum.
Yeah, so it won't stick on there. But yeah, it's just, you know, just a little magnet, just something, you know, for like, obviously when people are driving down the road, they can't, you know, stop, you know, read the, you know, that's mostly like if we're stopped in traffic or in the parking lot or, you know,
there's one on the front and
whatnot. Yeah. So hopefully people will see it and yeah, maybe we might get some followers from it. So that would be really cool. Yeah. So, okay. So I guess, well, we didn't say, we did have 3 yards, but we were only able to do 2 of them. We didn't get a call back from the customer for the 3rd yard. So that was a no-go for today, but you might see that included into tomorrow's video if you want to watch that. Tomorrow, it's going to be back around in the rotation. You'll be seeing us at the McDonald's again, so that'll be super exciting. We can see how that looks, and you know, also we have plans to take you guys, if you watch that video, to the new Buc-ee's over there, so look out for that. Yeah, so that should be super cool. All right, well, we're just going to close this video out. Was you going to say something? Or okay, I didn't know.
Thank y'all.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for liking our channel, for subscribing to our channel. Guys, we really love you guys. Like, this has been
really
super,
enjoy it too.
Yeah, it's been super exciting for us. Like, knowing that there's people watching it, it makes it, you know, real, and it's been really great. Just know that we really, truly enjoy making this content for you guys, and we want to keep doing it, and we want you guys to keep watching. So, yeah, thank you guys so much, and until next time, see ya.